Hello everyone. In this video I am going to discuss history of Java and features of Java. Please do subscribe my channel. Press subscribe button. Now in this picture you can see James Gosling. He is the man who led the team that created Java. Now history of Java. In 1991 a team known as Green Team, led by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems USA, started a project called Oak. Product was later called Java. It was formally released in 1995. Earlier, the project was originally targeted at the digital cable television industry and was significant for other electronic home appliances. Later, with the advent of Internet, Java became very popular. Today, not only Internet, but from mobile phones to gaming and navigation systems to e-business solutions, Java is everywhere. You will come to know more about all these things through the features of Java. Sun Microsystems was acquired by Oracle Corp during year 2009 to 2010. Now features of Java. Java is object oriented. Java is platform independent. It's portable. It's distributed. It is robust. It is secure, multi-threaded, and simple. Now we are going to discuss all these features in detail. Java is object-oriented because it follows all the object-oriented concepts. And what are these concepts? You are already aware of that. These concepts are encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, and polymorphism. A very important feature of Java that it is platform independent, and that is a big reason for the Java's popularity. Java is architecture neutral. Its program can be executed on any processor and any operating system. Means when I say the platform, that means I am talking about the software platform, your operating system, as well as the hardware platform, that's the processor. Bytecode and the Java Virtual Machine or JVM play key role in making Java platform independent. Java is platform independent, and because of this, its programs are portable. Java program actually follows WORA concept or WORA. The full form of WORA is write once, run anywhere. It simply means program written on one system can be well executed on any other system. Means, and when I say any other system, that means I am talking about system with any other operating system or having any other processor. A very powerful feature of Java that is distributed. Java has a very good support for networking facilities, as it has a support for HTTP protocol and the file transfer protocol or FTP. Java is robust as it avoids error-prone situations because Java compiler and Java Virtual Machine or Java interpreter provide extensive error checking. Java is secure. There is no illegal memory access in Java as they are possible in C or C++. That is why it is safe to download a Java program on our system and execute that also. Now a very important feature of Java, that Java is multi-threaded. More than one thread can be active concurrently. It speeds up the program and makes it highly interactive. Thread is a part of a process, and process is the program which is currently working. If you want to see all the processes on your system, just open the task manager. You can see all the processes listed over there. Another feature of Java, simple. Java is designed in such a way that it is simple to learn. Now, in my next video, I'll come with the Java compiler and the Java virtual machine. If you're not subscribed my channel, so please do press subscribe button. Thank you.